Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 12, percentage. Okay. So you know very well here only one sum is remaining. That I will teach you. Okay children. See here practice at 36th one. Again we have word problem here. First I will read the question here. Afterwards I will teach you how we go to solve this one. Okay. See here in the elections 1080 of the 1200 women in Jambalkan cast their vote, while 1360 of the 1700 in Vadgan cast theirs. In which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes? Did you understand anything? See here children, here two villages are there. First one is what? Jambalgan and Vadgan. Okay, your question is, see here, in Jambalkan total number of women, that is 1200. Okay, so from this 100 and 200 women, this 1080 women cast their votes. Okay, and the next one is what? Vadgan. Vadgan total number of women, that is 1700. Okay, so from this 1360 women cast their vote. Understood children? Yes, your question is, in which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes? That we have to find. So children, here two villages, that is Jambalkan and Vadgan. So first we have to find the percentage of women in Jambalkan. Okay, next one is we have to find the percentage of, yes, Vadgan village. So afterwards it will come to know which village, yes, did a greater proportion of women's vote. Okay children, so shall I start now? See, first one we have to find Jambalkan, next one we have to find Vadgan. Okay, percentage of Jambalkan first we have to find. For that statement we have to write first. Okay, the total number of women in Jambalgan village, that is 1200. That already you know. Next one is, yes, number of women in Jambalgan who voted, that is 1080. Now we have to find the percentage. How much of percentage women cast their vote in Jambalkan village, that we have to find. Okay, so here I have taken that percentage, yes, is A percentage. Okay, suppose A percentage women cast their vote in Jambalgan village. Okay, now what we have to do? This is the statement. This is what? Statement, and this one what we have to find, that we have to take as A percentage. Next one is what? Very good. Next one we have to make a equation. Okay, equation what will come? Yes, this A percentage means A upon 100. A upon 100 is equal to, total will come down, and how much women, that will come, yes, numerator. Total number of women, that is 1200, will come as the denominator. Okay, and see here number of women in Jambalkan who voted, that will come in numerator. Understood children? So that equation and how we have to solve that one I will show you in next slide. See, yes, A upon 100, isn't it children? A upon 100 is equal to, what will come? 1080 women have voted upon total number of women, that is 1200, isn't it? So here what we have to find? A we have to find. For that on both sides we have to multiply with 100, isn't it children? Yes, A upon 100 into 100 is equal to 1080 upon 1200 into 100. Okay, now this 100 we can cancel, and this 20 we can cancel. Understood children? Now say here 1080 upon 12. So here common factor is 2 is a common factor, yes 3 also common factor, yes 6 also common factor. Okay, so I will use here sixth table. So for children, if you are using any common factor table, the final answer will be same only. Okay, now I am using here, I will use sixth table, that is 6 to the 12 and 10, how many 6 are there? 1. Remainder 4, 48. 48, how many 6 are there? Very good. Can you say 8 6 are 48. Okay, and this 0 will come here. Understood children? So 180 upon 2. So again 2 is a common factor. 2 ones are 2. 18, how many 2's are there? Very good. 9 2's are there. This 0 will come as it is. That means 90. A is equal to what? 90 now. A is equal to 90 percentage. I hope you understood this one. Yes, the percentage of women in Jumbulgone village, that is 90 percentage. Okay, so children, you have to do this calculation in your notebook, and the next one what you have to write, see here, A is equal to 90 percentage. Okay, that means in Jumbulgone the percentage of women who voted in the elections was 90 percentage. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find, yes, Vadgon village, that is the percentage of women who voted in Vadgon village, that we have to find. Okay, see here, next slide I have given the statement. Total number of women in Vadgon, that is 1700. Okay, so number of women in Vadgon who voted, that is 1360. These two, yes, you got from your question. Next one is what? What we have to find? That we have to take A. But here already we have taken A percentage, that is in Jumbulgone village. So here I have taken that B percentage women cast their vote in Vadgon village. Okay children, so B percentage, B, what is B? We have to find here. For that, next one is what? We have to make a equation. B upon 100 is equal to, yes, B upon 100 is equal to total number of women will come here, and how many number of women voted, that will come as the numerator. Okay, so this one B upon 100 is equal to this one upon this one. Understood children? Yes, that next slide I will show you how we have to solve. Yes, see here children. B upon, can you say that equation? B upon 100 is equal to, yes, what will come? To that number 1360 upon 1700. Okay, so now which operation we have to do on both sides? Yes, we have to multiply with 100. Okay, so B upon 100 into 100 is equal to 1360 upon, yes, into 100. Okay, now this one cancel, and this 20 cancel. Now what is there? 1360 upon 17. So 17 is what? Here there is no common factor, that means 17 is a common factor. Okay, because 17 is a prime number. So 1360 upon 17, here common factor is what? 17. So you have to cancel it directly, otherwise you have to divide like this. Okay children, so I will do division like this. Okay, see here. So children, see here, what is the number numerator? 1360. 316 upon 17. Okay, so here 136. How many 17s are there? Do you know? 8 17s are there. Okay, 8 17s are 136. 0. This will 0 will go to a question. That means 80. 80 17s are 100 and yes 1360. Okay, so say here B is equal to what will come? B is equal to 80 percentage. B is equal to what? 80 percentage. A is what? The percentage of women in Jambalghan, that is 90 percentage, and B, that is in Vadgan village, that percentage of women, that is 80 percentage. Okay, so can you say now which one is a greater proportion? Yes, Jambalghan village. Understood now? Say here children. So children, say here B is equal to what? 80 percentage. Can you say A? A is equal to 90 percentage. So in Vadgan, the percentage of women who voted in the elections was 80 percentage. In Jambalghan village, that is 90 percentage. So your final answer is this one. A greater proportion of women cast their vote in Jambalghan village. Understood now? So children, you have to do practice in your home. I have completed this lesson. Okay. So children, I have completed this chapter. So this chapter, what we discussed, what we studied about what is meant by percentage, what is the symbol of percentage, isn't it? And how we have to convert that percentage into a fraction form. Suppose in case that example is, see here, 2 percentage. This 2 percentage, how we got to convert into a fraction form? Yes, 2 percentage means 2 upon 100. That means we can simplify here 1 upon 50. So 1 upon 50 is the fraction form of 2 percentage. Okay, and the next thing what we discussed, that fraction we have to convert into a percentage. Fraction form we have to convert into a percentage. And there also one example here. Yes, say here children, 2 upon 25. 2 upon 25 here, this fraction, how we have to convert into a fraction? How we have to convert into a percentage? Yes, percentage in denominator we have to convert into 100. Here denominator 25 is there. So how we have to convert? Yes, 25 into 4 is equal to 100. So at the same time numerator also you have to multiply with 4. That means 2 into 4 upon 25 into 4. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 8 upon 100. So 8 percentage. So this is the fraction form, this is the percentage. 2 upon 25 is equal to 8 percentage. Understood children? So this lesson we discussed about how we have to convert one fraction into a percentage, how we have to convert that percentage into a fraction. And the next one is word problem we solved. Okay children? So I have completed this one. Written work also will come, that you have to write in your notebook. Okay children? You have to do practice in your home. Understood? Thank you children. Sai Ram.